All right, so if you want to lose body fat and build muscle, this is a great meal idea for you. You can do this for lunch, dinner. You could even do it for breakfast. Here we have 8 ounces of some steak, top sirloin. Here we have 2 cups of broccoli. And here we have a very small serving of some Alfredo pasta. Super high in protein, very low with the calories, just the way we like it, baby.
I weigh 136 pounds. I'm struggling with my protein intake. What are some ways that I can increase my protein with my meals?
For every meal a day, let's say you're eating 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you want to have 5 ounces of a protein source. That can be chicken, steak, fish, egg whites, etc. Protein, 5 ounces of any type of protein source with 3 meals a day. Now, for men that want to get in enough protein, I recommend doing 8 ounces of a protein source with your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then, in addition to those 3 meals a day, do a protein shake where you're getting in 50 grams of protein. So, that protein shake should be made with 2 scoops of protein powder. You do that, 9 times out of 10, you're getting in enough protein.
What would you say to somebody who's not open or understand the benefits of doing 1 hour of cardio a day?
A lot of people think that when I say 1 hour of cardio a day, I'm talking about, sprinting for like an hour a day. I'm not, because that's a little bit too intense. 1 hour of cardio a day could literally be you walking. Yeah, it could be you on the bike. It could be you on the Stairmaster going slow. That's just an easy way for you to burn an extra 300 to 400 calories a day, possibly 600 calories a day. I recommend people do 60 minutes of cardio a day because most people work from home. A lot of people are sedentary. Now, if you're a fireman or a garbage man, you super active, you don't got to do that. But this is for the people who are sedentary and who are struggling with weight loss.
So somebody who wants to look bigger and still lose body fat, what would your advice be on the eating side and the working out side?
Okay, so for somebody who wants to build muscle and lose body fat at the same time, the meal plan has to be low calorie, high protein. A simple example is do protein and vegetables for every meal. And if you do carbs, do a small serving of the carbs. So that can be 8 ounces of chicken breast, a lot of broccoli, a small amount of rice, or it can be a lot of steak, a lot of broccoli, a small amount of pasta. But that would be the formula that you follow for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and do a protein shake on top of that. No more snacking, no cheat meals until you reach your goal. In addition to that, 60 minutes of cardio a day will definitely help. And lift weights 3 to 4 times a week, at least, or more. And just go hard with that, get enough sleep, and you'll drop body fat and build muscle. If you lock in with that, 3 months from now, you'll have a ridiculous transformation.
So what if someone usually gets 6 hours of sleep maximum a night? What is your advice to them if they're taking that advice as far as the eating and the exercising?
So somebody who can only get 6 hours of sleep a night, you'll still see results. You'll see great results if everything is right. If the diet is locked in, you're working out hard, you're doing your cardio, you'll see great results. But if you get 8 or 9 hours of sleep a night, you'll see better results because you're giving your body more time to recover. We grow. Like let's say you work out in the gym, you're tearing muscle, you're sending signals to your muscles to grow bigger. When you sleep, that's the time that your body actually has to get bigger. So the more you sleep, the bigger you can get if you're working out hard and you're eating right. So sleep is important like that. But if you can only get 6 hours, you still won't be good. Just 9 hours would be better.
What is advice you would give to somebody, including fasting?
So I like intermittent fasting because it teaches discipline. And it's a very useful tool for beginners because when you set up your schedule where you can only eat from 12 to 8, it's teaching you discipline with the food. So the late night snacking, which a lot of people struggle with, that's automatically eliminated. The snacking on sugary breakfast foods, that's automatically eliminated. So it teaches you discipline in that regard. Also, it helps you eat less calories overall because when you shrink the amount of time that you can eat in a day, you just have less time to be eating food. And when you're trying to lose weight, weight loss is basically you're not eating enough food, so now your body is forced to use your body fat to keep it alive, basically. So you're trying to lose weight, simplest way to put it is just don't really eat a lot. Just eat a very small amount and force your body to eat up the body fat to keep you alive. So when you fast and you can eat less, it just helps you do that.
So if somebody's working out 3 to 4 times a week, high intense workouts, how should their fasting regime look?
Any fasting regimen would work, but a standard, let's say you eat from 12 to 8, that's effective. Or you can do you eat from 3 to 10, that's also effective. What matters more than the time period that you eat is going to be what you're eating. Like I don't care if someone fasts or someone doesn't fast, as long as they follow a meal plan where breakfast is a protein shake, lunch is 8 ounces of chicken breast and veggies, dinner is 8 ounces of steak, veggies, and 1 cup of pasta, and they only do like a protein shake as a snack. It don't matter if they fast or not. If they only ate that and they're lifting weights and doing cardio, they're going to drop body fat and build muscle. All right, so here we have a great meal idea. We have 8 ounces of steak, 2 cups of broccoli, and a very small serving of some Alfredo pasta. So if you're trying to lose body fat and build muscle, give this a shot.